For example, we have a class A which contains many methods, and class B which extend all the method of class A. In Java, inheritance concept is basically used for reusability. Means for class A, which method we have defined that are not defined separately in any class or in its base class. Uh, we use all method that define already in one class. For example, we have a class employee which have a certain method. For example, employee shift timings, for example employee salary, etc. And this employee class will extend by programmer class. Then programmer class will not need to define a salary or its shift timing. It common to all the programmers, right? Then the reusability of code is happen by using an inheritance in Java. And in inheritance, super class and base class concept are follow. For example, child class and parent class relationship. Parent class are a class which extend by his base class. Then all the property of his parent class is also visible to its base classes. The inheritance, there are multiple type of inheritance. For example, 3 basic types are inheritance in Java. Single level inheritance in which only parent and child class are present. One class can extend by the other class. Child class extend all the property of his parent class. Then we have for example of single level inheritance are class employee and class programmer, right? Programmer extend all the property of employee. And second is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance are inheritance, for example, one class will extend by second class or third class. For example, we have class A, we have class B, and we have class C. Then class A will extended by class B and class C also. Class B extend class A, and class C also extend the class A. Is a multi-level inheritance. And then we have a hybrid inheritance, right? In single level inheritance are also achieved, and multi-level inheritance are also achieved by using a hybrid inheritance in Java. And the one more point to be remembered is that multiple inheritance are not achieved in Java, where C++ are follow this concept. Multiple inheritance are basically achieved in Java by using interfaces, which implement keyword are used to implement one or two classes in same class. For example, class A, we have 3 classes, class A, class B, and class C. Then class C extend class A, and class C also extend class A, class B. This is not possible. It actually confuse our compiler which method has to be run or has to be considered for a runtime. It actually create a situation, ambiguity situation for a compiler. So it's not possible. We can use extend keyword is basically used to to extend classes in Java. We use in interfaces, implement keyword are used. For example, we have a class A, B, C, then C extend A and implement B if A is the interfaces, right? These are actually inheritance in Java. Thank you.